Welcome to this news video. There are two things that we keep developing and keep maintaining, and one of them is Super X in the Archlinux-logout. It has migrated to GTK4, right? So, and we added some extra stuff in here, so we can select I want to have to see the suspend button or the hibernate button. Just 5, right? That's all I want to see. I don't want these guys to see. Or hand is also default, and lots of other icons you can choose. Thing is, well, that's it, right? GTK4 is now the backend, so to speak, and if you want this, it's gonna be called Archlinux-logout GTK4. It's on the Nemesis repo. It's part of the repository from Erik Dubois, and if you add it to your pacman, right, you get this update here. By default, the guys on Kiro have it, of course, but Nemesis repo needs to be there. Then you can install GTK4 variant of Archlinux-logout, which means the other version won't be maintained anymore, right? So if you go for the Archlinux-logout, if you have issues with this one, right, you can still install this little guy, Git. So it's either this or that, as you see. Replace this with that, and that's fine. And the other one is GTK3, of course. But again, super interesting if you get to know Claude, one of the AIs. This is how I created it in a fraction of the time that normally it would cost me, right? So learning about Claude AI is for me the return on investment. All right, enjoy the new version Archlinux-logout GTK4 Git.